Hello guys, welcome to this section on Excel printing. Now in this section we'll be looking at how do we print the already created table that we've made. How do we print it in Microsoft Excel? Now my desire here is to just be focused on the budget estimate. So I'm not interested in printing everything from the sheet. I'm just interested in printing only the budget estimate. Now if I go straight to the file and I go straight to print, if you look at the print preview here, you can see it's giving me 1 of 3. So if you look at it, this is not what I want. If you click, you can see it's showing you budget, but it is broken. You can see the last part here. So even if I change the orientation to landscape, it's still giving me 2 of 2. This is the first page and this is the second page. What I want is I want everything about the budget estimate to be in just one page. So how do I get that done? I'll go straight to my budget estimate. I'll go to page break. If you look at page break, it's showing me page 1 and page 2. So the page 1 ended up here and the page 2 began here. So what I want to do is that I'll go straight to this blue line, this dotted blue line. I'll stretch it to the left. And having stretched it to the left, I have page 1, page 2, and page 3. I'll come here and stretch this blue line to the right. Why am I doing that? I'm doing that because I just want everything to appear in one page. So if I go back to my print preview, you can see I have this in one page and I also have this in another page. But I'm not interested in printing this first one. I'm only interested in printing just the budget estimate. So I'll go back, go to my normal view, select the budget estimate only. I'll go to my page layout, go to my print area and select set print area. So that means I just want to print only this area that I've selected. So if I go to my print preview again, I'll see that I only have one page here. So this is showing me that I want to just print only that page. So to customize the header and the footer, all I need to do is to go click on these under the page setup, click on that arrow, go to the header and click on customize header. I can decide to put the page number. This is text. If I want to format my text, if I want to insert a page number, I can do that here. Okay, so what I want to do is that I'll put on the left section, I'll put in the page number. On the center section, I want to put in a logo. So I'll click here, select from a file and go to my system and bring in a logo. So I'll select the logo and insert. So that is the logo. So you can see the logo is not showing on top, so because it's too large, the image is too big. So what I want to do is to customize this image. So I'll come here and click on format picture and I'll reduce this to 10%. So I reduce that to 10%. So under the scale, I'll reduce this to 10%. Well, let's make it 8%. And I click OK. And I click OK. So you can see the text check on top there with the page number. So I want to customize the footer. I'll go straight to customize footer and I'll select perhaps the date and any other thing I want to put there. If I just want to leave date there. And I'll click on the print preview. So you can see text check on top. You can see the date by the side. You can see the page here. So this is how you can customize the header and the footer of whatever you want to print. Okay, so thanks. See you in the next class.